Here we come to the side elevator at Cougar Village 1 at University of Houston, Texas. This elevator is just as busy as the main one, but not as ridiculously busy. And I can already hear it coming down. This is the side elevator, and like I said, a huge thanks to my friend for letting me in here, so that's how I got access. Seven. I'm gonna go and ring the bell. Looks like no one called it. Would it be okay if I go for one more ride? Yeah. All right, go and swipe your card. Wait till it stops. Okay. What floor would you like?
6.
Go. You gotta swipe your card. There you go. All right, have an awesome night.
You too.
We luckily got a very lucky trip during the first ride. Non-stop ride going up and back down. So we perfectly made it in time. Anyways, we'll go back down G, we'll end there. This has obviously got to be a Synergy MRL because I can literally hear the brakes not far from me. Anyways, as you can see here, they obviously have updated the controls right here. It's not very typical to see a ThyssenKrupp elevator with a generic type controller. Especially that indicator, because usually I see like a scrolling indicator. And most of the buttons are original on this one. Alright, we got people joining, so this is going to be the end of the video for the day. Thank you so much, Aaron. All right, watch it close. All right, there it goes. And that's it.